In 1961, a Yale psychologist proved that ordinary Americans would kill strangers just because someone told them to. Stanley Milgram invited volunteers for what he called a learning experiment. They sat at a control panel with switches labeled from 15 volts to 450 volts. The highest setting was marked danger, severe shock. In the next room sat a man strapped to a chair. The volunteers couldn't see him, but they could hear everything. Their job was simple: shock him every time he got an answer wrong. At first, mild jolts, then stronger. The man started screaming, begging them to stop. Eventually, he went silent. When volunteers hesitated, a researcher in a lab coat calmly said, "The experiment requires you to continue." And they did. Over 60% delivered what they believed were lethal shocks to an unconscious victim. The man was an actor. The screams were fake. But the volunteers didn't know that. Milgram had discovered something terrifying. Evil doesn't need monsters. It just needs obedience. The experiments were so disturbing, they were banned forever.